My name is Jasmine and I'm studying Electrical and Electronics Engineering at Flinders University. When I saw the opportunity for this apprenticeship, I thought it was such a great opportunity to get experience, being able to study a couple of days a week and then also work a couple of days a week, getting that work-life balance as well, and apply what I'm studying at uni at work and to talk with actual engineers and get their experience.
Degree-based apprenticeships open up the opportunity to gain an engineering degree to people who otherwise might not be able to access them. So while some people may have been keen to study an engineering degree anyway, for some people that's not always possible. So the degree apprenticeship gives an opportunity for people to earn an income while they learn and get their degree. They come out of it with an engineering degree and a lot of experience in the workplace. It is really cool to see students come in with no engineering background, no sort of formal qualifications. They join our teams and they start to contribute very early on. They get to experience and be exposed to our business. They make connections throughout the business.
I would say to anyone considering applying to a degree-based apprenticeship to just go for it. I say it's 1,000% worth it because it's such a great opportunity to meet new people, network as well while you're still in uni and just gain a lot of real-world experience while you're studying.